In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix WASD keys swapped with arrow keys in Windows 11 and 10. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So most hardware manufacturers build an instant alternate layout shortcut directly onto the spacebar or the letters themselves. So hold down your FN key and tap one of the following combinations until your keys switch back. FN and W, which is going to work like 90% of the time. You can also try FN and spacebar for like 3 seconds. Or you can try the arrow loop, so press FN and the up arrow key. Go ahead and try that and test your layout inside a document, and if your WASD keys are outputting letters again, instead of moving your cursor text line blinking markers, your keyboard firmware profile has successfully reset its asset variables. Also, just go ahead and make sure if you're using any like a certain keyboard, like for example, I'm using Utility, you want to make sure that if you're using any software for your keyboard, that it's basically on the right thing. So you want to make sure you haven't remapped anything or anything like that, because that's going to be very important too. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.